How to build a website with Claude AI in minutes. What if you could build a fully working website without writing a single line of code in just a few minutes? I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Today, we're using Claude AI to build websites for yourself, for your business, or even for other people's businesses, and actually get paid for it. Let's get into it. Part 1. Build your own website. Say you're running a restaurant, a small shop, or launching a brand. Head over to Claude.ai, open a new chat, and just describe what you want in plain English. I'll type, build me a website for my fast food restaurant called Burger Barn. Include a hero section with a catchy tagline, a menu section with categories, and a location and contact section. Make it bold, energetic, and appetite-grabbing, red and yellow tones. Hit enter and watch what happens. Claude writes the entire HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you, live right in front of you. No coding, no templates, no monthly fees. And look at this. It has added every section a restaurant website actually needs. A bold hero, a clean menu layout, contact info. It looks incredible. Now, here's the part people don't realize. This is just the starting point. You can keep refining it just by chatting. I'll say, change the color theme. Claude asked me to pick a color. Let's go with purple and neon pink. And just like that, the entire theme updates. Same website, completely new look in seconds. You can also ask practical questions like, how do I install this on a WordPress website? And Claude will walk you through it step by step, because most businesses are already on WordPress and want to know exactly this. Part 2, do this for other businesses and get paid. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You can do this for other businesses and charge for it. Here's the exact process I'd follow. I'll ask Claude, I want to reach out to fast food restaurants with outdated websites and pitch them a new one. Write me an outreach email and tell me how I can share a live example link. Claude writes a professional outreach email. I just need to drop in the restaurant's name and a sample website link. It also tells me exactly how to get that link using Netlify, GitHub Pages, or TinyHost. Let me show you TinyHost. I paste my HTML file, sign up, give it a name, let's call it website sample, and it gives me a live link instantly. That's the link I drop into the email where it says your link. And look, Claude even added a Gmail button right below the email. I click it, and it opens directly as a Gmail draft, ready to send. Now, who do I send it to? I'll ask Claude, give me a list of 20 fast food restaurants in, let's say, New York, USA. It pulls up a map, a full list of restaurant names, and even phone numbers. It also highlights which ones are the best targets to approach first. Claude is basically acting as your research assistant, your copywriter, and your business development team all at once. Now the big question, how much can you actually charge? I asked Claude, how much do businesses pay for a basic website for a fast food restaurant? For a beginner freelancer, we're looking at $200 to $600 per website, and you just built one in minutes. That math hits different. That's it. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.